Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the podcast to help you learn real English for real life. If you're new here, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Before we start, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. It really helps the channel and helps more people learn with us.
Today's topic is super important. It's something you do all the time. At school, at work, on dates, at parties, online. We're talking about how to introduce yourself with confidence.
Many English learners feel shy when they have to say their name, talk about themselves, or meet new people. They think, my English is not good, or I don't know what to say, or what if they don't understand me?
If that's you, relax. You are not alone. In this episode, we're going to help you. You will learn simple, natural sentences to introduce yourself in English. You will learn how to sound confident, even if your English is not perfect.
And we will give you a lot of examples with our two favorite characters today, us. So you'll hear real conversations you can copy in your mind later.
Also, stay until the end, because we'll talk about one big mistake people make when they introduce themselves in English. And we'll show you how to fix it so people remember you and want to talk to you more.
Let's start very simple. First, your name. The most basic way is I'm plus your name. For example, I'm Mia.
Or, I'm Mia Park. You can also say, my name is Mia. Or, my name is Mia Park. Both are okay. Both are common.
Listen to a mini conversation.
Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it. Very easy. Now, let's add more.
When you introduce yourself with confidence, you don't say only your name. You give a little more information. Think of 3 basic points: who you are, where you're from, and what you do.
So one simple structure is,
Let's do an example. I'm Mia. I'm from Seoul in South Korea, but now I live in London. I'm a university student, and I study psychology.
that's a great, clear introduction. Now mine. I'm Leo. I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. I'm an English teacher and a content creator.
You can try the same structure. I'm named So. I'm from place. I'm a Jao. You can change it, of course, but this is an easy base.
Now, maybe you think, but Mia, but Leo, I don't work yet. I don't study. What do I say?
You have options. You can say,
For example, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil. I'm between jobs right now, and I'm looking for work in marketing.
that sounds honest and confident. You don't have to feel bad if you don't have a cool job. Your value is not your job. You are still awesome.
Also, you can introduce yourself in a more casual way with friends. For example,
Notice something. We're starting to add personality, not just facts, like a robot. We add small details that make people remember us.
let's talk about speaking with confidence. Many learners think confidence means perfect grammar. No, confidence is how you sound and how you feel.
Here are 3 tips to sound more confident when you introduce yourself. Tip 1. Slow down. Many people speak very fast when they're nervous. Then they make more mistakes. It's okay to speak slowly. It's not a race. Try, I'm Mia. I'm from Seoul. Take small pauses. It sounds clear and calm.
Tip 2. Use short sentences. Long, complicated sentences are hard, even for native speakers. You don't need them. Simple is strong. Compare.
That's long and stressful.
Now listen to the simple version. I'm Mia. I'm 22. I'm from Seoul, but I live in London now. I study psychology at university. I also work part-time in a cafe.
Same information, but much easier. And you sound more confident because you are not fighting with the sentence.
Tip 3. Look like you believe in yourself. Of course, in audio, you can't see us. But in real life, when you introduce yourself, try to. Stand or sit up straight, smile a little, and look at the person's eyes, not at the floor.
And if it's online, like in a video call, look at the camera sometimes, not only at your own face. Your body and your face send a message, I'm happy to meet you.
Now, let's add age. Many people want to say their age when they introduce themselves. The sentence is very easy.
You don't need to say, I have 20 years. That's what you say in some languages, but in English we say, I am 20 inches, or I'm 20 years old.
Let's combine name, age, and place. I'm Leo, I'm 27, I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil.
I'm Mia. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Seoul in South Korea, but I live in London now.
You're already doing a good job if you can say that clearly.
Next, we talk about what you do or what you study. The pattern is,
Listen to some examples. I'm a graphic designer.
now I'll give you a complete introduction in a casual situation, like a party. Hey, I'm Mia. I'm 22 and I'm from Seoul, but I live in London now. I'm a psychology student and I work part-time in a cafe. In my free time, I like watching movies and going for walks in the park.
That's perfect. Simple, natural, and friendly. Now I'll do one for a more professional situation, like a job event. Hello, I'm Leo. I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. I'm a digital marketing specialist with 5 years of experience. I help companies grow online. Right now, I'm looking for new opportunities in Europe.
You can hear the difference. My introduction is more casual. Leo's is more professional. Both are introductions, but they are for different situations.
So how do you introduce yourself on the first day of class, for example? Often the teacher asks, "Can you introduce yourself, please?" Or "Can everyone introduce themselves?"
Here is an example you can use in a classroom. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from South Korea. I'm 22. I'm a psychology student, and I'm in my second year. I'm really excited to be in this class, and I hope to improve my English and make new friends.
That last sentence is very nice. I'm really excited to be in this class, and I hope to improve my English and make new friends. You can change class to course, program, company, or team. For example,
Now, introductions at work. Maybe it's your first day, and you meet your new team. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm the new marketing assistant. I'm from Seoul, and I moved here last month. I'm really happy to join the team, and I'm looking forward to working with you.
2 good phrases for work. Looking forward to means you feel positive about something in the future.
Now let's talk about introducing yourself online, like in a language exchange or in a group chat. You can say,
Nice and simple. You see, we always repeat the same ideas. Name, place, what you do, something you like. You don't need 100 new sentences. You just need a few strong ones.
let's add some personality sentences you can use after your basic introduction. For example, now my full introduction with some personality. Hey, I'm Mia. I'm 22 and I'm from Seoul, but I live in London now. I'm a psychology student and I work part-time in a cafe. I'm really into movies and personality tests, and in my free time, I like going for walks and trying new coffee shops.
Great. Now mine. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. I'm an English teacher and a content creator. I'm a big fan of football and video games, and in my free time, I like cooking, listening to music, and learning about technology.
Another useful thing, sometimes people don't understand your name. Maybe it's new for them. You can help them politely. You can say,
For example,
don't feel shy about this. Your name is important. It's okay to help people say it correctly. That is also confidence.
Now, let's talk about the big mistake people make when they introduce themselves. The mistake is they only give information, but they don't connect with the other person.
Imagine this. I'm Mia, I'm 22, I'm from Seoul, I study psychology, I like movies.
It's okay, but it's very basic. It feels like a form, not a real conversation. So how can you connect? Add a small question at the end. For example,
How about you and what about you are very small but very powerful. They show you are interested in the other person, not only in yourself.
also, you can connect with something you share. For example, if you meet in an English class, you can say,
If you are at a party, you can say,
that extra sentence makes the introduction feel more natural.
Now let's show you a few different short introductions in different situations so you can hear the patterns. Situation 1. First day at university. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from South Korea and I'm 22. I'm a psychology student in my second year. I'm really excited to be here and meet everyone.
Situation 2, job interview. Hello, I'm Leo. I'm from Brazil, and I'm a digital marketing specialist. I have 5 years of experience in social media and content creation. I'm very happy to be here today and to learn more about this position.
Situation 3. Language exchange partner online. Hey, I'm Mia. I'm from Seoul, but I live in London now. I'm here to practice English and help with Korean. I love movies, music, and coffee. Nice to meet you.
Situation 4, new neighbor. Hi, I'm Leo. I live in apartment 304 next to you. I'm from Brazil, and I moved here last week. If you ever need anything, just knock on my door.
That last line, if you ever need anything, just knock on my door, is very friendly and welcoming. You can adapt it, of course.
Before we finish, let's give you some useful phrases you can use after someone introduces themselves to you. You can say,
And if you didn't hear something clearly, it's okay to ask. You can say,
for example,
Hi, I'm Mia.
sorry, what was your name again?
Mia.
Oh, Mia. Nice to meet you, Mia.
See? Very normal. Don't be afraid to ask. It's better to ask than to pretend you understand.
Finally, remember, you don't need to be perfect to introduce yourself. People will not think, oh no, this person made a grammar mistake. They will think, cool, this person is trying to talk to me.
So be proud of your English, even if it's simple. Simple English is still English, and it's powerful when you use it with confidence.
Let's do one last example. This time, imagine we are at an international student party. Listen to how we might introduce ourselves.
Hey, I'm Mia. I'm from Seoul in South Korea, but I live in London now. I'm 22, and I study psychology at university. I'm really into movies and personality types, and I'm trying to improve my English. How about you?
Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. I'm an English teacher and a content creator. I'm a big fan of football and video games, and I love meeting people from different countries. It's great to meet you.
You can use this style in your next real conversation. Change the details for your life, of course, but keep the same structure.
And remember, you can listen to this episode again and again to help your listening and to help the sentences feel natural in your mind.
If you enjoyed this podcast and you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to introduce themselves with more confidence.
You can also check out our full playlist for more beginner English podcasts. The link is in the description.
Thanks for listening, and keep popping off in English. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.